Introducing CurBot, a smart robotic device that turns any old-fashioned curtain into a fully automated curtain system for your smart home. With CurBot, you don't need any installation tools or skills. It can be set up in seconds and fits 90% of the existing curtain tracks on the market. It is powerful enough to lift even heavy curtains and easily integrates into your existing smart home world. With the included app, you can set up fixed times to open or close the curtain every day, so you can enjoy waking up naturally with sunshine. CurBot can also be controlled by voice, and it's compatible with Alexa, Google, and any other smart speakers. Or you could use the energy-saving mode. Once the sun gets too strong, a light sensor automatically detects and closes the curtain, preventing your rooms from heating up and letting you focus on work. Through the app, you are always in control of your curtains, even when you are not at home. And if you want to keep it simple, just use the remote control or the auto hand pull feature. Once you pull, it will start moving automatically. Unlike other motorized curtain systems, you don't need any power ports or cables. CurBot includes a battery that needs to be charged just once a year. And it's so easy to set up that you could even bring it out if you spend your night out at a hotel or Airbnb. We put a lot of passion and effort into the design and developed a product that is durable, reliable, super easy to use, and very useful in your daily life. CurBot makes your home smarter and your lifestyle more convenient. So please support us and get your CurBot today.